If you're experiencing login issues on Ghost.org, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. This guide will help you regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity in your login details. Step 2. Reset your password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Srug to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes cache data can cause login problems. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Try a different browser or device. If the issue persists, switch to a different web browser or device. This can help identify if the problem is related to your current browser or device settings. If you follow these steps and still cannot log in, consider reaching out to Ghost.org support for further assistance.